Working with CAD data from a variety of sources is critical to getting your job done. 3D Interconnect changed the way users interact with this data by allowing you to directly reference native or neutral CAD files without the need for translation. SOLIDWORKS 2020 simplifies the workflow using these native and neutral CAD files by allowing you to now drag and drop them from Windows Explorer into your assemblies like any other SOLIDWORKS component. Additionally, 3D Interconnect in SOLIDWORKS 2020 adds support for new formats including 3D DWG and DXF as well as IFC, enabling you to work directly with more files without the need for translation.